Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul, I am a teacher. In this video, I am going to give information regarding 20 very important multiple choice questions for the preparation of entrance exam for Master of Hospital Administration, MHA, Hospital Management and Master of Public Health MPH programs for various university and institutes like Common University, Indian Test, CUET, PG, Lucknow University, Indian Institute of Public Health, Gandhinagar, Manipal University, AIIMS, Raipur, Jodhpur, Bhubaneswar, Nimhans, JIPMER, Pune University, Rajiv Gandhi Health University, Kaloji Narayan University of Health Sciences, and for all other university and institutes which conducts hospital management, public health and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public Master of Public Management, MPH, MHA and other courses entrance exam. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching or want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exam, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. So here first question is, in a disaster management triage, patients who need surgery within 24 hours are categorized under which color category? In a disaster management triage, patients who need surgery within 24 hours are categorized under which color category? Option A red, option B green, option C blue, option D black. Correct answer is option C blue. So in a disaster management triage, patients who need surgery within 24 hours are categorized under blue color category. Next question, in disaster management all are true accept. In disaster management all are true accept. Option A mitigation before a disaster strikes. Option B response in pre-disaster phase. Option C yellow color is for medium priority. Option D gastroenteritis is commonest infection among after disaster. So here correct answer is option B, response in pre-disaster phase. So in disaster management all are true accept, response in pre-disaster phase. So this option is not true regarding disaster management. And option A, C and D, that is mitigation before a disaster strikes. Yellow color is for medium priority. Gastroenteritis is commonest infection after disaster. These three options are true regarding disaster management. Next question is, in disaster management following are practiced accept. In disaster management following are practiced accept. Option A triage, option B rehabilitation, option C mass vaccination, option D disaster response. So correct answer is option C mass vaccination. So in disaster management following are practiced accept. Mass vaccination is not practiced in disaster management. And option A, B and D, that is triage, rehabilitation, disaster response, these are practiced in disaster management. Next question is, triage category correctly matched is option A red, deceased dead, option B black, minor injuries, option C green, immediate intervention needed, option D yellow, stable patient needs observation. So correct answer is option D yellow, stable patient needs observation. So triage category correctly matched is, correct answer is option D, that is yellow. Yellow is for stable patient needs observation. This option is correctly matched with triage category. Next question, triage means option A first come first serve basis, option B treating person with better prognosis, option C labeling the death patients, option D identifying seriously ill who needs treatment first. So here correct answer is option D, identifying seriously ill who needs treatment first. So triage means identifying seriously ill who needs treatment first. Next question, in a triage black color is for. In a triage black color is for option A immediate resuscitation required, option B ambulatory patients, option C unsalvageable. Option D, highest priority patient. So correct answer is option C, that is unsalvageable. So in a triage, black color is for unsalvageable. Next question is, during disaster management the following condition would be classified under international code green signal. During disaster management the following condition would be classified under international code green signal. Option A, high priority treatment. Option B, medium priority treatment. Option C, ambulatory patient. Option D, dead patients. Correct answer is option C, ambulatory patient. So during disaster management the following condition would be classified under international code green signal. So ambulatory patient is correct option. Next question is, following occupational diseases are notifiable under the Indian Factory Act 1976 accept. Following occupational diseases are notifiable under the Indian Factory Act 1976 accept. Option A, silicosis. Option B, asbestosis. Option C, basinosis. Option C, bagasosis. So correct answer is option D, bagasosis. So following occupational diseases are notifiable under the Indian Factory Act 1976 accept. So bagasosis occupational disease are not notifiable under the Indian Factory Act. And option A, B and C, that is silicosis, asbestosis, basinosis, these are the diseases which are notifiable under the Indian Factory Act 1976. Next question is, ideal periodical examination of worker in an industry is done every. Ideal periodical examination of worker in a factory is done every. Option A, day. Option B, month. Option C, year. Option D, depends on type of exposure. So correct answer is option D, depends on type of exposure. So ideal periodical examination of worker in an industry is done every, depends on type of exposure. Next question, Indian Constitution has declared that children less than dash years should not be employed in factories or mines. Indian Constitution has declared that children less than dash years should not be employed in factories or mines. So correct answer is options are A 10, B 12, C 14, D 16. So correct answer is option C 14. Indian Constitution had declared that children less than 14 years should not be employed in factories or mines. Next question, safety workers have to be appointed in factories where number of workers is more than. Safety work officers have to be appointed in factories where number of workers is more than. Option A 500, option B 1000, option C 2000, option D 5000. So correct answer is option B 1000. So safety officers have to be appointed in factories where number of workers is more than 1000. Next question, useful screening test for lead is measurement of. Useful screening test for lead is measurement of. Option A, copropropyrin in urine. Option B, aminolevulinic acid in urine. Option C, lead in blood. Option D, lead in urine. So correct answer is option A, copropropyrin in urine. So useful screening test for lead is measurement of. Correct answer is copropropyrin in urine. Next question, lead poisoning in industries commonly occurs by. Lead poisoning in industries commonly occurs by. Option A, inhalation. Option B, ingestion. Option C, skin absorption. Option D, conjunctival route. So correct answer is option A, inhalation. Lead poisoning in industries commonly occurs by. Correct answer is inhalation. So lead poisoning in industries commonly occurs by inhalation. Next question, inhalation of sugarcane dust could cause. Inhalation of sugarcane dust could cause. Option A, bagasosis. Option B, basinosis. Option C, tuberculosis. Option D, farmer's lung. So correct answer is option A, that is bagasosis. Inhalation of sugarcane dust could cause. Correct answer is bagasosis. Next question, all are features of silicotuberculosis accept. All are features of silicotuberculosis accept. Option A, high sputum AFB positive. Option B, children of such cases do not get disease. Option C, impairment of total lung. Option D, nodular fibrosis. So correct answer is option A, high sputum AFB positive. So all are features of silicotuberculosis except so high sputum AFB positive. This is not the features of silicotuberculosis. And option B, C and D, that is children of such cases do not get disease, impairment of total lung, nodular fibrosis. These are the features of silicotuberculosis. Next question, all are disease manifestations associated with low temperature except. All are disease manifestations associated with low temperature except. Option A, chilblains. Option B, prickles. Option C, frostbite. Option D, trench foot. So correct answer is option B, prickles. So all are disease manifestations associated with low temperature except prickles. So prickle disease manifestation is not associated with low temperature. And option A, C and D, that is chilblains, frostbite, trench foot, these are the disease manifestation associated with low temperature. Next question is, periodic examination of factory workers is a type of. Periodic examination of factory workers is a type of. Option A, primordial prevention. Option B, primary prevention. Option C, secondary prevention. Option D, tertiary prevention. So correct answer is option C, correct, secondary prevention. Periodic examination of factory workers is a type of. Correct answer is secondary prevention. Next question is, with reference to lead poisoning, various parameters are given below with the labels. With reference to lead poisoning, various parameters are given below with the labels. Option A, coproproprin in urine. Option B, aminolevulinic acid in urine. Option C, lead in urine. Option D, lead in blood. So here correct answer is, correct match is, so first is more than 70 milligram per 100 milliliter. Second is more than 5 milligram per liter. Third is more than 150 milligram per liter. Fourth is more than 0.8 milligram per liter. So here correct match is option D, that is 4 with 4A. Correct match is third, that is coproproprin in urine. Correct match is with more than 150 milligram per liter. Next for option B, correct match is with second, that is aminolevulinic acid in urine. So correct match is with more than 5 milligram per liter. Next is with option C, correct match is fourth, that is lead in urine. Correct match is greater than 0.8 milligram per liter. And for option D, correct match is with first, that is lead in blood. Is correct match is with more than 70 milligram per 100 milliliter. Next question is, the minimum air space per worker prescribed by the Indian Factory Amendment Act 1987 is. The minimum air space per worker prescribed by Indian Factory Amendment Act 1987 is. Option A, 200 cubic feet. Option B, 300 cubic feet. Option C, 500 cubic feet. Option D, 700 cubic feet. Correct answer is option C, 500 cubic feet. The minimum air space per worker prescribed by Indian Factory Amendment Act 1987 is. Correct answer is 500 cubic feet. Next question is, maximum permissible level of whole body occupational exposure to ionizing radiation is. Maximum permissible level of whole body occupational exposure to ionizing radiation is. Option A, 1 rem per year. Option B, 3 rem per year. Option C, 5 rem per year. Option D, 15 rem per year. So correct answer is option C, 5 rem per year. So maximum permissible level of whole body occupational exposure to ionizing radiation is, correct answer is 5 rem per year. So in this video, important information regarding 20 very important multiple choice questions for the preparation of entrance exam for Master of Hospital Administration, Master of Hospital Management, Master of Public Health has been given, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health, Master of Hospital Management, Hospital Administration and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So students who are preparing for various universities MPH, MHA entrance exam like Common University Entrance Test, CUT PG, Lucknow University, Pune University, IIPH, Manipal University, AIMS, Nimhan, Zipmer, and for other university and institutes. So they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exam, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Thanks for watching this video.